Hi, today we're going to take a unboxing review look at Spin Master's Bakugan Battle Planet Battle Brawlers. This is like their level 1, I guess, of Dragonoid, which I think is supposed to be Drago. So yeah. Here's the new stand. This stand is a garbage stand. Compared to the original Bakugan with Dan Kuzo, oh man, Dan Kuzo was like 9.5 times better than this one. Heck, even 10 times. I mean, this Dragonoid looks scary. It's like nightmare feel. But yeah, you get 2 BakuCores and a character card. They're saying that you could download it onto the Google Play Store app. That's a joke, cause you can't. It says unavailable or not compatible. It's not even there. It's there, but you can't even download it. Which is, what the F, it's garbage. Okay? To be honest with you, pretty much this whole series is, yeah, garbage. Reason why I'm saying this is garbage compared to the many other Bakugan series that came before this one. This Dan Kuzo is super duper lazy. Okay? The original one was more action packed. So there's that. Then you have these Bakugan that they want to kind of do their own thing, but the users don't want to brawl with them or anything. So you have not really user and Bakugan interaction that much. You have the evil Bakugan users that wants to use the Bakugan to destroy towns and buildings and stuff. They have these guys, which are supposed to be your heroes. I mean, come on. If we compare it to One Punch Man, Saitama is a better hero than any of these brawlers put together. I mean, for real, they're a joke. And they're all about, let's show our Bakugan on YouTube. Okay? Alright, yeah. Let's use drones to record and, like, camcorders to record our Bakugan. When I was like, shh, hush, it's supposed to be a secret. Bakugan is supposed to be a secret, We don't want people to know about these giant monsters. That's why these other corporations are trying to steal our Bakugan and seal them away and stuff. But no, it's like, let's upload it. Hey, there's a bell. This Bakugan just destroyed a building. Yay! Something like 9/11, Which, Pokemon, they took out that whole giant meta tentacle destroying those, like, towers because of 9/11 thing. But Bakugan's, like, promoting it in Battle Planet. Yay! Right? Oh, let's get them a big hand because they love 9/11.